Fatty liver disease is often asymptomatic, but it can manifest itself over time and with the increase of liver fat with symptoms such as abdominal pain or a feeling of fullness in the upper right side of the abdomen, nausea, loss of appetite or weight loss, yellowish skin and whites of the eyes, swollen abdominal legs, extreme tiredness or mental confusion, and weakness. Regular exercise and diet are the basis of treating fatty liver disease. Patients with fatty liver should avoid consuming saturated fats, sugar, salt, cigarettes, and foods containing high carbohydrates such as sweets and rice. Consumption of fresh vegetables and fruits is highly recommended to improve fatty liver. In this video, I want to introduce top 5 fruits that can reduce your risk of fatty liver disease. Number 1. Lemon. Drinking a glass of lemon daily helps to improve fatty liver disease. Lemon has liver detoxification properties and is rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Consuming lemon also improves the digestion process. Number 2. Pears. An excellent choice among fruits for weight loss. Pears have adequate amounts of soluble and insoluble fiber to lower cholesterol and regulate gastrointestinal function. Eating 2 pears a day can provide 20% of your vitamin C. Consumption of pears also helps to detoxify the liver and pancreas. Number 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is high in vitamin C and supports liver detoxification. It's also low in calories and carbohydrates. Eating grapefruit before a meal can help to limit your appetite, which aids in preventing overeating. Grapefruit is high in soluble fiber, which helps to lower your blood sugar and promotes regular bowel movements. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition shows that naringenin extracted from grapefruit can activate the chemicals responsible for breaking down your fatty acid. This may help to prevent fatty liver disease. Keep in mind that before eating grapefruit, consult your doctor as it can interfere with certain medications. Number 4. Strawberries. It's an excellent remedy for cleansing the liver and detoxifying the body. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen the immune system. The natural acids in this fruit protect your liver. Strawberries can boost the metabolism, prevent fatty liver, and flush out toxins from your body. If you have fatty liver disease, eat at least 7 to 8 strawberries a day. Number 5. Tamarind. This tropical fruit has unique properties and helps to improve the digestion and can lose weight. This fruit is rich in fiber and is considered the best food for treating arteriosclerosis. Of course, the consumption of tamarind is also a cure for fatty liver. Consuming this fruit can reduce the amount of fat around the liver and helps to reduce blood cholesterol. Thanks for watching.